And now I click on the go live button.
Right.
Okay. Hello everyone. It's nice to see you today. Today is Tuesday, 30th of March 2020. Yeah, okay. 30th of March.
30, yeah?
Yeah. 3003. Yeah, it's a nice number.
3003. Wow.
Yeah.
That is a very good number.
Yeah, good number.
Now I realize why some people like 3003.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hi everyone. Nice to see you all again.
Yeah, it's nice to see you join our live stream.
I hope your week has been good. I think Bitcoin is floating back to its normal level. Normal level as in between 5 to 60. Yeah, around there. So there was one point where it went down to below 5, and now it's back up 5.7, 5.8, something like that. Yeah. So right, Richard, let us know what we are planning to discuss.
Yeah, the topic today is Bitcoin. Based on the Bloomberg news, they say Bitcoin can reach 400,000 in 2020 as a result of reserve asset. Yeah, and that is based on their analytics because the inflation, the US dollar keep printing out daily, and then it's a lot of people they make a lot of statement. They say, "Oh, Bitcoin is very too volatile," yeah, something like that. And then we can see the drop of the Bitcoin last weekend is dropped nearly 50,000. Yeah, nearly 50,000 and
50,000.
Yeah.
It went down to 50,000, right?
Yeah, that's right. It went down 50,000, and it's bouncing back to this current price because a lot of stock analysts, a lot of people seeing the charts. He's expect this a time for Bitcoin to go to the moon at 71,000, but it's go up the expectation and it's coming down. In this last day, we see some of the analysts say that the Bitcoin will go down, but in the early morning it jumped up to 58,000 this early morning Singapore times, and we see the news, a lot of news about some Bitcoiner he's invest in the NFT token, and he's buy some crypto in the other version in NFT or in the other collectible version, and we see a lot of alternate coin fly up a lot. And this morning we see some of the head title from Bloomberg. We also can check from this news on about this will say about the Bitcoin, because we saw Bloomberg is one of the fan of the Bitcoin this day, and we see a lot of news from Bloomberg. Yeah, we see Bitcoin. We can sell the Bitcoin a lot. It's also have a Bitcoin index. It's also Bitcoin miner can drain like the currency German. Yeah, a lot.
Yeah. So this digital currency jump as Visa, the third line, the third article, Visa pilots crypto settlement. So I think this is the one that grabs quite a lot of people. In fact, someone I know, he sent me a message. Do you know about this Visa crypto thing? So as far as me and myself and Richard, we are expecting this to happen anytime soon. And it can be even sooner, Yeah, so I believe we have spoken, or rather we have touched something on this topic before, 1-2 months ago, something like that.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so definitely when there is something that got to do with currency, money transfer, and things like that, companies like Visa and MasterCard, they cannot ignore. They have to explore the possibilities, definitely.
Yeah, let me say hello to some of our audience out there. Hello, Mr. Gulam. Hello, Miss Stephanie. Yes, nice to join our live stream this morning. Okay, based on the Bloomberg, what is say in the detail? Yeah, because based on their charts, that means some of the Bitcoin analytic, it says with the with the with the price with based on the period of times when the Bitcoin will go up every 4 years, every 2 years, and they calculate. It say that with the rough or the estimate such as the stock to flow, Bitcoin for average 288,000 between now and 2024. Because some of the people say, oh, 400,000 is so much, it's so long. Bitcoin is so long, and based on the charts, the rhythm 2013, if they apply the rhythm with 2013, the peak is around 400,000. If they apply the rhythm with the different time, like current time is also we have a different resource.
Yeah. So let me interrupt for a moment. They say what if you apply the rhythm of 2013.
Yeah.
So 2013 is there. So I don't think it's wise to use the rhythm of 2013, but those green line makes more sense. So by saying the or rather Bitcoin with 2013. So if they use the 2013 growth line, then I think it's really going to hit 400,000. But we know that that will not happen. Yeah. So what the green line is plotting, the kind of slope, I think it makes a little bit more sense, or may not be even that steep gradient in the sense. Yeah. But of course, whether will it hit 400,000? Of course, me and myself and Richard, we have had some discussion earlier. And I think it's possible. Yeah, but just not now. Maybe even likely even not this year or next year. It could be the year after or something. Because if you look at how the price is moving right now, beginning of 2021 was the kind of craze where 20,000 to 30,000 and then stop for a while, 30,000 to 40,000 then stop for a while, and 40,000 to 50,000, 50 to 60 and then stop for a while. So there's always a period of I don't know how the experts are going to call this kind of move. Yeah, but it's just not on acceleration all the time. There's always a period where investors' emotions, investors' estimation changes according to how they feel for that period of time. So they either have to let go, or especially when Bitcoin is concerned, we are talking about the involvement of whales. So when whales look at a certain time frame, they have to let go some of the Bitcoin in order for them to earn something, and then when the price dip a little bit, and then they will buy back. Yeah. So this movement is pretty consistent, if you have noticed. Every time there's a movement, you are able to draw a triangle or something like that. Yeah, so I believe this trend will go on for some time before it ever reach 400,000, or let's not talk about 400,000, before even reach arrive at 100,000 mark. Yeah.
Just now, Mr. Nicholas shared to us about the whale. We can see very famous whale these days. The company is from of the Michael Saylor MicroStrategy. He has invested 52 billion in Bitcoin, and now the world is over 73 billion. Yeah, and this is one of the way to invest in crypto. And it's also some of the news says that Tesla invests 1.5 billion in crypto, but after the months, the price of crypto bring back the company the profits of the whole year selling the Tesla.
I think they might as well just keep doing this crypto thing, right?
That's one of the way they do the advertisement for the cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin, because some when the crypto go down, it's also a chance for the people, the newcomer, jump into the market. And then we also can see it's a very smart move from Tesla. People they spend money, they use money to buy Bitcoin, but Tesla they use car to buy Bitcoin. That's why they accept Bitcoin when you purchase to buy a Tesla. That is a smart strategy. Example, if you are the worker, you have you sell some furniture, and you just say, "Oh, I accept Bitcoin." It looks like you use your furniture to buy Bitcoin. It's a
almost
smart move.
In the same sense.
It's a smart move. And what is the risk? The risk when the price of crypto go up like this? Morgan Stanley is always the man who against the Bitcoin. He said that.
So Morgan Stanley has companies like Morgan Stanley and what else? A few of these private banks. They have always been pretty forefront. Always the first to make the move. So in things like cryptocurrency and the future of currency or whatever, so a company like them, they need to be the first one to make a move in order for them to not just making a statement, but also making the best profit out of it.
But we must say thanks to them, because when they say something not good about Bitcoin, the price go down. It's a time for us to get more crypto, to get more Bitcoin. And also Fed Chair Jerome Powell, now he's linked to Bitcoin as the substitute for gold, but still displeasure. Because Jerome Powell is we hear his name for a long time, because a lot of people asking Fed, why don't you issue the CBDC? And he says, okay, let me think about this. And it's make the US fall behind the CBDC address. But it's also it's a good and not good if you are the one behind. But you are the one behind. You need to fight to learn more, to gather the latest technology, and to be to be the one from the top. So that's one of the news. One of the nice quotes say that if you are not the one behind, you should be the one in the last. that's the one we want to share to all of you about how Bitcoin can reach 400K, because we also share to our audience about the Bitcoin price prediction 2020 in our previous live stream, in our early live stream on our trial, on our channel trial about this. And we also hear some of the news about digital currency jump and some of the other news in crypto. Example, we see some of the news from the clip, a lot of news on the NFT token. Yeah, it's an NFT marketplace. Nifty Fedway plan to go carbon neutral. Yeah, it's also if you are the new one, the artist, the musician, you can choose this platform to sell your art piece. Yeah, if you don't know how to code, don't know anything, they can do everything for you. Just register account, do all the stuff. Yeah, and we also want to share to our audience this early about the Satoshi cruise ship launch to settle again, because this one of the cruise ship they want to make as a blockchain on the sea, and it has some issue, it has some trouble, and they got stuck, and now the new owner try his best to let the cruise ship go live again. And one more news, this early morning I saw this startup one NFT gallery on your wall. Yeah, it's very nice. It means you may see, remember this photo?
Yeah. The kitties.
Yeah.
The kitties doesn't really look like kitties.
Yeah, it's a crypto kitty. They will make this artist, and you can keep it on your wall. That means you can print this out and put
Print it out.
Yeah, print.
That's so easy.
Yeah.
You just need a printer.
But they use the hardware like the digital frames.
So they probably is emphasizing on digital frame or putting on a digital wall or something like that.
Yeah, that's like that. With the digital frame, you can just add your wallet, your address wallet, and you choose your NFT token on the wallet. It will show up your the thing you have bought, you have sold. I remember from last week, there's a man, Singaporean, the man from Singapore, he bought one of the artists. Is cost around 70 million, right?
Is it 70 million?
Yeah, 70 million.
20 over million, I cannot remember.
Let me find from here. His I see all news.
Yeah.
70 million. Some people say that, there's so many news about the NFT token destroyed. We serve more city. Visa, so we just see the Visa complete the first cryptocurrency transaction on Ethereum. New York competing of Uniswap sold as an NFT. 500,000. No, is this is so long. Is news crypto Russia museum. A lot of people they don't. If you don't understand about NFT much, you need to find out to know more, because you don't actually the owner of the physical thing. That is just the virtual asset, not the tangible asset. Yes, NFT is Philip Markable. Yeah, a lot. There's a lot of. Here's how much cost Tesla Bitcoin podcast. Bitcoin 5 billion, 50 billion. Tesla.
What are you searching right now?
What?
What are you searching right now?
I'm searching the art space cost around 17 billion.
Let me Google on that.
Yeah, just Google and then you find this. Because the trends of the NFT is so hard, but we don't think it's billionaire should be allowed or should be allowed.
Right. So
you have
this is on. Let me see whether I can open this.
You just share the.
Right. Right. So let me share this. Wow. Where is the share thing?
Next to the camera.
Oh, that's a share screen.
Yeah.
Select. All right. So this is the one. So this is the rise of NFT art in Singapore. Apparently, this article is pretty new. I think someone.
7 days.
Oh no, not new. This is like 25th.
Last week.
5 days ago. Yeah. So just days after the art was sought to make sense of world record breaking 69 US 69 about 70 million paid for work of digital artist Beeple, the Singapore street artist known as what speaks cryptic. I don't know. He had just sold first NFT work of his own. Who is he selling to? Price worth converts
69.3 million.
Basically, they sold at 69.3 million. Yeah. So of course, the thing is, who is selling and who is buying? I mean, we know who is selling, but who is buying? That's a big question. So, while we are on all these NFTs and things like that, we need to remember something that how do I get out of this share screen? How do I come back to? I don't know. How do I do that?
So come back to the meeting room and you click on and click
stop sharing.
Yeah, stop sharing again.
But it's still there.
Yeah, stop sharing there.
This new I can't get back. I mean, how do I?
What do you mean?
Why?
Yeah, the thing.
Stop. How to stop? It was so easy in the past. So now.
Now you back. So ask him about text library.
Oh, I disappeared. Where am I? This camera thing is so irritating.
You are still there, right?
I can't see myself. Can you see me?
I can see you.
You can see me, but I can't see myself.
It's okay because it's sometimes it's slow. It's
There's a
slow.
bug in this program. There's bug in this application. But anyways, yeah. So talking about NFT. So we are now at a time where people are selling and buying NFTs at a very, very high price. So we must, one thing is, as a user, as a new person coming into crypto, or as any person in general, so we must ask ourselves, who is the one actually buying? You know? Yeah. So if I create, okay, I will tend to think along this line, this line where if I create an NFT and an
NFT.
NFT, yeah.
Yeah.
So I tell my friends, hey, I sell it to you. Why not? Yeah. So okay, I'll buy from you then. So I buy from you some X amount of money. Then the next day, B say, oh, since I bought from you yesterday, now I created a new NFT for myself. I'll sell back to you.
Yeah, that's right. It's look like
So
the money from your
yeah,
life.
let's create a buzz out of it. Yeah. So what I personally view this NFT market that's going crazy right now is how it's happening right now.
Yeah.
This is how I view it. Yeah. So maybe you have a different perspective. Yeah. So this is how I'll believe it at this current stage of time, where people are selling NFT for morbid sum of money. Yeah, so it just doesn't make sense. Why would someone buy an NFT that is worth 10 times more than a Bitcoin? Yeah, so it's just something going on somewhere. Yeah, I still don't
Yeah.
see myself
This
on my
this app
camera.
is.
Oh
Oh,
my god.
I don't know why I get this one. Continue to listen. This app is having shown on Christie by our 70 million. Yeah, this one.
70 million.
Yeah.
I can just put in patches and patches of picture and make it like this. So,
Yeah.
but I need someone to buy from me 70 million.
It's from Silver. Yeah, that I said you. It's this app is called every day. The first 5,000 days. Yeah. It's this guy who nothing. This guy maybe. Yeah, this from CNBC, one of the news it says last week. And okay, let back to our live stream about the Bitcoin price. So we will do some um, prediction trading view on Bitcoin price to let our audience know more BTC USD, BTC and okay, BTC USDT. Okay, and then normally we see the charts. We predict the price. Like now it's a 1 day, not 4 hour. Right?
Yeah.
We usually use a 4 hour, and now the price of 57,400, and we will add the Fibonacci attention. And we see the price go here. It's when it hit the 57,794, it's bouncing back. But some of the people they want to buy back at 57,000. It
Yeah.
may go up again, and the target is will hit this one 60,000. In the short term target, it will hit 58,000 and 59,000. Yeah. If it's above the 60,000, the next target is 64. Yeah. However,
Right.
it will hit the red one, the red target one 71,000. Yeah, here. This is maybe. Let me guess. Maybe it may take. It may take.
Next month, maybe in 1 month's time.
No, about 2 to 3 weeks. Not next month. It's not so long like this.
Yeah. We are on the last day. Last second day? Is it the last day? Yeah,
Okay.
we are on the last day, last few days of March already. So yeah. So tomorrow is 31st, and then after that, April Fool's Day already.
Oh yeah.
I don't think you will reach that price on April Fool's Days, but but yeah, next month.
Next month. Okay.
Hopefully, yeah.
This one is just a soft resistant, but with the hard resistance is will 81,000. Yeah. Before it's hit the 81,000, it will about 77,000. Yeah. That's all. This target will be in the near future.
Yeah.
And now, based on the indicator, we add the sell. That means this is about the buy at the buy the with the let me the technical is a buy at the buy technical. Yeah, let me show up with you. Yeah, the buy one. And one of the analytic 1 day ago, he says Bitcoin to 65,000 here. Some people at the long bet at the long stop. Yeah, a lot of people who write the article to buy. Yeah, then the March 30, the period 8. Oh, block out the resistance. So we next target 70,000 here. Some of the people 2 hours. 15 hours ago, he says 70,000 from the crypto T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m. From the crypto is one of the premium. Is the chart he draw chart here. We all can see similar like us, but it's so complicated. I also don't understand what he's saying.
Yeah,
and
those are for the experts to see.
Yeah, for experts, we also don't know.
Every single day they are looking at all these charts. I think their eyes will become like lines already.
Yeah. And this says it's remain if can rise above 59,000 uptrends. For in this case support 54,000. Yeah, some of the thing he's draw the line with the uptrend and downtrend. The uptrend is look like the uptrend. If the uptrend is will remain 59,000. With the downtrend, it will go to support at the 45, no, not 48, 47,000. Yeah.
It's kind of good. It's kind of good that they give you two trending scenarios.
Yeah, two trending scenarios.
A very good thing.
Yeah, sometimes if you don't know how to predict the market, just go into the trading view. There's a lot of experts here, but you need to find the good expert because look like we go to the fortune teller that says, "Oh, what is good, what is not good." Yeah.
They will tell you, please achieve inner peace.
Yeah. Here's this guy. He's also have a lot of people like. Yeah, also the same with our Fibonacci recently. The target is also same. Achieve the target 1, 2, 3 resistance here. Yeah, similar with ours just now we said to all of you. Yeah, we also can see some of the news, and we also discuss the audience so far. Okay, back to some of the update about the Xeonbit project. Currently, I received the email from BS Scan shared to us about our Xeonbit token have been updated here with the price, with the with the price here, with the market cap here, and we also get some pair on the bank swap. So we may do some the small IDO or something like that. I also don't know how to say how to approach the new buyer, the new investor, because it's a chance for the newcomer. If you add the liquidity in the bank swap or some the other swap like the Uniswap, you can earn some fee, exchange fee 0.1. Yeah, it's also a chance for you to invest in. Yeah, the BS can also update the information about project here. You also can check it out. Connect, blog, Reddit, Facebook, yeah, Twitter, Bitcoin Talk. Yeah, okay. The GUI channel, the coin market cap. Yeah, that's right. All the thing here from here, you get some transaction. Some people buy with 9,000 transaction sent to here. Yeah, it's a large amount. CTA 62. Yeah, this guy he had just bought some of the token. Yeah, with a value 120. It's also good for us to see the volume on the bank as well. We also can see the pair on the Uniswap. Uniswap is now Uniswap. Uniswap. In Uniswap here. Yeah, now it's going to another Uniswap version 3. It's like that. We can just introduce in May 2020. It's a version 2, and now they will announcement about May 5th optimistic. That means it's a concentrated liquidity for the people on the Uniswap, multiple features. Yeah. It's also good for the people who use the Uniswap, but it's based on Ethereum. Yeah. This day the fee on Ethereum is a little bit lower, so you also can enjoy with the fee. Yeah. Okay, I think it's enough information for me to share to our audience about in crypto, in news, in our project. Now I give the word to Mr. Nicholas. We can say goodbye to our audience.
The easiest job right now for me is to thank every one of you. Yeah, so thank you all for supporting us for the last few months, and I think let us continue this kind of friendship and relationship as far as we can go. Right, so invest safely. Yeah, so Bitcoin is going back up to 58,000 already. So I this time around I bought some at 57. Yeah, so when it went out to 51, 52, 50, I was like, okay, I shall wait for it to come back again. It did come back again, and I believe the Ethereum as well is going back up again. Yeah, so right. So if you happen to buy at a price that's not too high, not too low, but after that the price went down, so you just have to be patient. Bitcoin is something that is pretty unlike some stock market. Sometimes when they go down, they just go down all the way.
Yeah, that's right.
But Bitcoin is different. Yeah, so because it's decentralized, it's something that a lot of people all around the world are looking at. Yeah, so somehow you slowly move up. Yeah, so not to worry. Yeah, of course, if you are going to invest in altcoins, tokens, just read more about them before you launch your move to buy them or invest in them.
Yeah,
Right.
that's right.
So thank you all for joining us again. I will see you again next time.
Okay, see
Bye-bye.
you.